first of us.
Using this bow defense.
When I'm ugwpeace dripping, don't like stress at my dome. Straight to the head when I'm 1942.
Gorgeous. Hi faves, and welcome back to my channel. This vlog is going to be self-care, maintenance, also bits and bob of life update, because like it's been so long. Like, how you guys doing? Are you guys already married? Summer is right around the corner and we have to slay. Talking about summer, I just recently started working for my dad's company, that when summer eventually come, I have saved up so that we can slay, because this summer we are slaying. I'm going to do my nails, lashes, and taking care of my hair as well, because anyways, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Boom! Who did that? I did. One of the perks of being a DIY girl, if you don't know what DIY girl is, you basically do it yourself. Yeah, like I do everything myself except from my hair, which is basically a long story. I don't like stress. Yeah, so I'm going for like a pink almond, but the almond is going to be like a very long shape.
My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary, boys wanna marry.
This design on my nail, this hibiscus flower, but it's not going to be shaped like a square, it's going to be something like this. Yeah, I love watching something anytime I'm busy. So let's get into doing my nails.
Starts with your daily routine and actually being
consistent. I'm a berry, pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my diary, and you can stare at me, touch it, I'm a berry, pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty, and if you know it too, then ladies sing it with me. Oh, I don't leave it out again. No question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I want my tongue the way I trip. It's nice, my thoughts, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
Then they love to hate, but all the bad model girls, they love to date. You need to check my swag, get up to date. Check my swag, get up to date. Cause when we cut, I'm razor blader. I'm so laser, I'm so major, I'm so flavor, baby, I should have a clock on. Why you get your pretty girl rock on? For all my girls from Atlanta out to Stockholm. And they looking like, what the hell you got homes? What you need, baby girl? I got homes, different cribs, new whips, and I'm feeling fly like a D6 fly. My swag hit on ladies unknowingly. Pleased to meet you.
Before you guys get any ideas, I had my bath this morning, so yeah, I know what you're thinking. But I needed to clean all those nail dust off my body, and apart from that, I'm also going out this evening. So yeah, but a big part of my glow up or maintenance is my skin prep. I used to use this Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum, but I stopped using it. I still use it from time to time, but now I'm using this bow defense serum. My mom got this one for me, and yeah, I don't say you should take the advice from me. If it's working for you, it's okay. If it's not, that if you have acne, it's not best to use this, but like I said, I heard. But yeah, a big part of my glow up is my skincare. My skin is not caring. I also use this toner. My mom got this as well, and this moisturizer. Yeah, so time for skin prep, but I don't usually use toner. I usually use only serum and moisturizer. That's what works for me. I feel the toner does not work for me at all. So yeah, you guys can't how many times I said so yeah.
Back when I was poor, I used to pull on with my poetry. Check that yes and no for me, I guarantee she go with me. But the only thing I need to know right now is what a pretty.
Let's do a little transition. If I do remember to finish this transition, but Time to take care of my hair. My hair is a mess. Like, yeah, it's a mess. Let me get my cream. I usually use this one, and as well as, are you guys still hear me? Perks of having a microphone. I also use this pink comb. Yay, 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 yay. What was I thinking? This me. I made this hair last week or so, last 2 weeks I think, because I think I've uploaded another YouTube video, so I think it's last 2 weeks. Honestly, I had my doubts about this hair because this is not like a ponytail. It's a sew-in ponytail, so I had my doubts that it was going to come out so rough, but it didn't come out rough, surprisingly. I should clap for me because when was the last time I actually wore my maxing dress? Yeah. Okay, you see it's called Blake. Now I have nails. The anytime I'm doing this, it's like tea. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ow. You guys, my hair has returned to its blissful state, I think, but I usually use this one actually.
Doing in this part of town with a city girl swag and a country girl style. I mean, you demoralize with your style. Wow. Well, how about now? My jewelry's so loud, my girl's so wild. I mean, my swag so bad. I guess that's the reason all the cops are so out.
Catch me, cameras flashing. Daddy turn his head just as soon as I pass him. Girls think I'm conceited cause I know I'm attractive. Don't worry about what I think, why don't you ask him? Stuck together, don't hate. Jealousy the ugliest trait. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then ladies in it, when I walk in, you got this girl's attention. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I want my tongue the way
I look gorgeous. Like, my hair is more slick back now, it's not more scattered. I was so scared to make this ponytail at first because I felt it would bring out my big ass forehead, but like, if you see the pictures of taking of this hair, adorable. Little bit low on time. That was why I was able to do my lashes now. Probably when I get back, maybe tomorrow, put on my dress, ready and go. On second thought, I think I can actually do something. If the first one I do does not come out well, I'm just going to drop it, like, because I have like 5 days to do my lash clusters. But my lash clusters don't usually take them. I just apply over here, like, my eyes feel so heavy right now. Yep. I like using this one. I don't like using the glue here because this glue is just sticky. It does not stick, but this particular one is like, anywho, let's get down to business. This first one does not stick. I'll just leave it because I'll get so overstimulated. The lash clusters is almost finished. Ready to go? Are you guys? Yes, I'm on time and I did every date. I was lucky scared that I'm going to postpone the video till tomorrow. What? But I'm on time. What? This baby's up. Hey, with your friends, Biko. Okay. Hair check, nails check, lash check. I'm so tea right now, like, bro. I can't even lie. I was trying so hard not to end the video or the vlog on that last one because when I said I look so tea or I'm so tea, I was like, girl, collected. But anyways, guys, we've officially come to the ending of this vlog. It's like this after I actually filmed that video. But I also told you guys I'm going to give you guys a life update. Unfortunately, I was actually low on time then, so I couldn't really brush up on what I've been going on in my life. So let me give you guys that little life update right now, that little spill of tea right now. Okay, I honestly don't know what I'm going to say. I really write the things I want to say down, like points, but now I didn't write because I want this video to be uploaded today. But yeah, basically I started working for my dad. I think that's basically what's going on in my life right now. Summer is around the corner, and I know what most of you guys are thinking, or I know what I'm thinking that I think you guys are thinking, is that why can't you just ask money from my dad? Unfortunately, I love keeping myself busy. Yeah. I love being pampered, don't get me wrong. I just love keeping myself busy. I love gaining my own money, like my own sweat, so that when I'm spending it, I spend it wisely. But like, I guess I just love being hardworking. But yeah, guys, if my gap year is currently ending, guys, what do you mean? Like, unfortunately, I don't really know my situation right now with my gap year, because I may or may not take another gap year. I think that's all for the life updates. Also, you guys should just give me a video recommendation you want to see, and please stop learning news. If you guys want to know if you guys want to know what's going on with my new journey, I stopped learning because I finished my learning process. So now I'm officially taking clients. Pray for clients, guys. Pray for me so I can get clients. Yeah, I think that's actually all. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was not much of a life update because right now I feel my life is most centered on right now is me working for my dad. Summer is coming. I'm going to stop, obviously. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when I post, and come back for another vlog. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye, faves. Also, if I forget, make sure to go to my WhatsApp channel, my Instagram, my TikTok. Link are going to be in the description bio as well. Yeah, I think that's all. I'm coming. Give me a minute. Let me think if I forget anything, because I don't like forgetting things. I'll have to like respond to next year. Yeah, I think that's all. Bye.
He crosses the street, seems embarrassed.